check-in day.
That wasn't. I don't know, but we have a whole ton of stuff to do here.
We're gonna get some funny things. You guys get your Henry.
Have you been here before? No, our first time.
It's official, like a referee with the whistle.
I thought you
so
said that I was
excited.
gonna get one.
Like
And I don't.
Like that?
Yeah. We got wolfies here, guys.
That's what, like, these are all tourists.
Yeah, we're tourists too. We're a wolf today.
I'm not doing
Give me a wolfhound. Girls, give me a wolfhound. Oh! We're at the Great Wolf Lodge. I'll go up to him right now, my hound.
Need company. We need to go there.
Let's go talk to Wolfie.
Woo!
He's going away.
Dad, he's leaving. Come on.
Oh! It's like I'm going on break. All right, what's our room number?
138 kids cabin.
There it is. Where's the key? Fancy. Kids, no running, please. No running.
They don't listen.
One kid, listen. Is this cribs?
Yes. Welcome to my cabin.
Oh, fancy.
This is
What's in
our-
here? Fancy.
Bathroom.
This is where our income tax money's going?
I wish we got income tax.
Fancy. Love goes down. It's a little fancy mirror. Show these guys. Oh yeah.
Didn't even show.
I know I did it. Alright, you guys stay here. We're gonna be back. We're gonna go to the bar. Why'd she get up there so fast?
This is McKaylee's bed. This is mine. We're gonna put it.
Oh my god, there's a mouse! He followed us from our house!
What is this in here? Another bed?
This is my bed.
Oh, that's a pretty picture.
Fancy.
Beautiful.
Don't you think that they should have turned them the other way?
I don't know.
Yeah. No, because in the TV.
This is just where our stuff's at.
It's so funny. Oh my god, look at my dad's shorts. Ducks, and they're pink.
Rubber Ducky, you're the one.
Rubber Ducky, you're the one.
These are cool. All the cool kids are wearing these. All the cool kids are wearing these right now. Oh, don't
Not,
laugh.
not
You
really.
guys are embarrassed to be around me?
Yeah.
Look at this.
He reminds me of that guy on Barbie. Ken? Yeah, Ken. Ken.
Are we ready? Let's go. Game time. Bring it in. Bring it in. Let's go. Just me and you. I guess they're staying there on their social media. 1, 2, 3. Woof. Where are we at?
Pack.
Wolfpack. We're Wolfpack. So we had to change to the GoPro. Say hello.
What?
What?
Hi.
Let's go here with the pinball rides.
Could you kindly
here?
back up a smidge? I'm invading my
let's go.
personal space.
We'll get it after. It's not.
What'd you get?
How come my wolf cubs didn't make a?
Here.
Let's start cake.
Okay, all of you guys go. One, two, Mariah, look up. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Do you think you can stop with the phone? Yeah, I guess. Come on.
I want a quick one.
Dad, you said let me take a.
Since we're at a water park, did you guys all trim your nails? Or we need to go to Scoops for your pedicures. Did you book my pedicure?
Huh?
Did you book my pedicure?
That's so bad. Maybe later you have an appointment here with Mom.
What about us?
What time is happy hour? Oh,
They don't have happy hour. It's basically like a Build-A-Bear. Yeah. It's basically a Build-A-Bear. What's that?
it's one of those like 3D rides.
What? Let's mom, let's go.
There it is.
Oh my gosh.
Check it out.
I can't be seen in your phone. Dad, don't go out. Mom, let's go. Guys, we forgot to close out the vlog last night, but it's day 2, and right now we are going for a breakfast buffet. So I don't know what we're gonna get, but we may or may not record what we got or not. But yeah, we'll see you guys when we're probably done eating.
Loose moose.
Where did she go?
What'd she say? Oh my God! It's Wolfie.
sure that everyone's got it.
You can hide in a spot.
Yeah, you probably could hide. What?
I'm going to go on the red fly first. The red one? The red one and then the yellow one. We both are going down this.
Yes, we go separate, but not together.
That's it. That's kind of really close. Pretty close. Now you go now. No, I want to catch him. I want Mama catch me. And I'm scared. I'm scared. Come on, go.
Turn those off, huh?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh my God. Come on, let's go. Hurry. Fail. Fail. Hurry up, Marina. Hurry up, Marina. Hurry up. Look at this loser. Oh my God. Hurry up, Marina. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You lost too. I'm jealous.
I would want one. And we're old, so like we don't really like these. He's a cute one. Look at. Which one's the one we like? Like the bear?
No, we get a make one.
Look at that.
She wants a bear.
Okay.
What are they doing, Sammy? Doing Sammy. Still going with it. Stop. What did you get, McKaylee? Is that a bathing suit?
Go to the front entrance of Buckhorn Exchange and find Sammy the Squirrel for your first clue on why we need to find Wayne the Woodchuck.
Where did it say? The popcorn?
The front of the.
Buckhorn Exchange.
It said we need to go to the front where the something.
The Buckhorn Exchange.
So we were gonna leave like 2 hours ago. So we were late 2 hours ago, but
We're on a scavenger
we
hunt.
swam for 1 hour and then went to get a what's the word?
Scavenger hunt.
But we went to get a plushie, like from I don't know. Mom, we're here.
See, Great Wolf Kid, you've forgotten what you're looking for?
Wait for Sammy over there in the Buckhorn Exchange.
I told you, Sammy's over there. Why did I just see it?
Can we listen to
Hi, where's it?
Guys, for something?
My mind.
Anything for that part?
Yes.
Oh, got it too.
They're smart. God, they don't even have to draw it. They just pretend like they do.
Anything for this one?
Yes.
No more freebies.
Shake it like a salt shaker.
Hey friendship, I'm Sammy and I love to do lots and lots and lots of fun things. I bet you do too. Do you mind if I take a picture of you real quick? Really? Awesome. Step on the Clubhouse Crew logo now. Hold your Great Wolf Kid close to your heart. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and smile. I took a picture of Wayne the Woodchuck who took my acorns. I need to find those acorns or the Clubhouse Crew will have nothing to eat this winter. But I seem to have lost the photo book around here somewhere. Buckhorn is such a big store. That's why I like shopping here. Go into the Buckhorn Exchange and first find the photos of Wayne the Woodchuck, and only then can you find my last bucket of acorns that I hid. When you do that, you will get your next clue. Don't forget to use your secret high paws.
1 hour later.
Hi guys, so right now we just got out of the water park and we went to go get McKaylee's like Great Wolf Lodge, bear, whatever, and we did a little bit of the like field trip thingy, treasure hunt, but right now we are getting all of our bags and we are going to head out, so we will see you guys next time. Bye!